Hi friends, today we are discussing on rust, how we can fix the rust and how we can protect from the rust and corrosion. Actually, how to produce the rust. Rust basically generate on the metal body. On the metal body is zinc oxide, is the zinc, and oxide comes from the air. When zinc and oxide mixing is creating a zinc oxide, and zinc oxide is very dangerous for any type of metal, and it will be finishing metal life. So if you want to protect from rust and corrosion, you have to be use some oil, protective layer, rust converter, rust blocker, or you need a solution of electronic rust protection device is called auto rust barrier. That is the best solution. Actually, electronic rust protection device pumping the electrons on automotive body inside and outside, and it's working on oxidation procedure. Where is the active electronic rust protection device? In the 40 square feet area in between, what will be things come, they will be protect from the rust and corrosion. And it's taking a 0.23 millivolt ampere, is just like car clock watch, and it's best solution, and it's giving you awesome results. Rust is starting from the edges of the doors, edges of the glasses, windows, and it will be work from there, and it's evaporating the moisturizer, and it's continuously pumping the negative electrons for removing the positive electrons. You have to be consider electronic rust protection is applicable for all types of car, jeep, bus, trucks, SUVs, ships, tractors, heavy machineries, aircrafts, in a factory, in home appliances. Everywhere you can install the electronic rust protection device from the protection rust and corrosion. So this device is very best solution right now, without any side effects, and it's taking a very little current and giving you prolonged life of the metal body, either metal body using in automotive or industrial or everywhere. So this is the best and nice solution. I hope you like this.